Scrolling data lists occur throughout the Access Diplomat system and provide a range of powerful features. This video guide explores organising your columns. Scrolling data lists are used wherever a variable number of items need to be shown in a list, neatly organised in columns. Part of their charm is that they can be tailored to a particular user's requirements. We're going to take a look at a stock items list. This monitors scrolling data list has a large number of columns. We may wish to enable or disable columns by toggling the most popular columns using the header context menu. However, we may wish to enable and organise a number of columns at once. We can do this by right-clicking on any column heading and selecting More. Here we can find all of the columns. They are organised from top to bottom in their positions on your scrolling data list, reading from left to right. All of these items in black are visible in our list. The items in grey are not currently shown. Columns can be enabled or disabled by selecting and then using the Show and Hide buttons, or by toggling the status using a spacebar. In this case, I will first hide all and then use the spacebar to select the columns I wish to show. We can also organise our column positions. We could use the Move Up or Move Down buttons. But a more efficient way of moving up or down is to use the system-wide keyboard shortcut, the Control key, and the up and down cursors. Let's just reorganise these columns and we're going to take a look. This is looking great, but now just a few minor adjustments. I'm going to reorganise these identification columns further to the left. By clicking and holding down my left mouse button, I can drag my column to the left, and when I have it where I want it, I let go of my mouse button. That's better. Just going to remove this one. We don't need it. Now let's sort out some of these column widths. To do this manually, we need to show the handle. By hovering on the grey line to the right of the column header we wish to change, we'll get a double-headed arrow. Now we can drag the column width narrower to the left or wider to the right. Alternatively, we can use an auto-fit shortcut. Again, we have to hover to get the handle, but this time we're going to double-click. The first time you do this, your column will automatically size to the longest word in the data area. Double-click again, and the column will resize to the column header text. Repeating the double-click will cycle through these two options. A top tip for handheld device users or those struggling with dexterity: use your stylus and press and hold the column header, or right-click for mouse users, and use the More options we used earlier. Highlight that particular column and using the field Width, enter a value. Let's do 140 for the description column. And the reference, let's try 62. We can refine from there. As a troubleshooting tip, this is a great way to find columns that have been accidentally set as a 0 by making them too small. Find the item, change the 0 width to a width you can actually see. For more details on scrolling data lists, take a look at our online help resource, or use your pastime units to book a remote training session with one of our consultants. We look forward to seeing you.